My name is Ross Ray. I work in Toshiba Plymouth on the USX. The main features, I'll start with the small footprint and the X-frame chassis design, which is unique to the USX Edge. It's been designed and tested using airflow analysis so that we can install the units at a side-by-side installation of 30 millimeters without any reduction in airflow. I'll go through the construction of the USX. So it incorporates 4 circuits with 4 twin rotary compressors, all individually controlled. If a module is out of commission, if it's in a series of combination, the other modules will continue to operate. And similar to the compressor control, the other modules will try and compensate for the loss of capacity. The enhanced design incorporates R32 refrigerant, which is independently charged per circuit at 8.8 kilograms. So it gives us a total charge of 35.2 kilograms. Our enhanced design allows us to achieve a leaving water temperature in very low ambient conditions. We're able to meet part load conditions. For our defrost algorithm, only 1 circuit per module is able to perform a defrost at any given time. This further enhances the reduction in leaving water temperature or capacity reduction. And same as the redundancy, during defrost of that particular circuit, the other circuits will try and compensate for that loss of capacity. This is further enhanced with our powerful heating type model. It incorporates a relative humidity sensor. This again enhances the defrost algorithm to detect frost detection earlier, thus reducing the time of defrost and reducing the loss of leaving water temperature or capacity. So the USX Edge boasts a very good efficiency, both in heating and cooling mode, the SCOP and SER. This is further enhanced with the high EER model, which incorporates adiabatic spray system for cooling mode. This is based on compressor capacity and OAT temperatures. We can achieve a power factor correction of up to 99%. To make the current and voltage waveforms less distorted through our PWM converter, which is standard for the USX Edge. So this means that we can reduce current levels, which means you can reduce the installation costs for cables, electrical equipment. Any given system, whether it's one system, you have to incorporate a module controller, and this has the capability of connected to 16 modules. This is further enhanced if you opt for a simple group controller or group controller option. So the simple group controller can control 2 module controllers, so it can control up to 32 modules in total. This is further enhanced for our group controller option. This gives the capability of connecting to 8 module controller, which means you can connect up to 128 units via 1 controller as an entire system. The USX Edge's data analysis collection tool is called Flash Monitor. Together with the Toshiba FlashAir SD card, which is Wi-Fi enabled. From this, we can connect our tablet, the Flash Monitor application, and see live data from the USX modules.